What's happening? All right, look, MOLLE madness lately in the Gladiator. Installed that shelf up at the top. Got one in the back window. You know, while you're in there looking around that stuff, you see other things, you know what I mean? So let's take a look what I got this time. Okay, you know, so you got the little tray that goes in the handle right there. It's plastic. You got the little basket. You got the little basket that goes in here, plastic. I got that little crap that hung on the front, plastic. Just breaks, right? But I was contemplating some sort of piece of extra storage for right there. They got that one that flaps over the top right here, right? Crap, like I said, plastic. But while you're looking at MOLLE, I found these. They're 35 bucks. I will throw a link in the description. And what they are going to do is they're going to install right here, theoretically. So I'm going to set this camera down. I'm going to pop this little panel off, and let's see how this is supposed to work. All right, so you should be able to pop this off. That's the panel. Little bolt back there. All right, a little 10 mil. Pop it on there. Let's pop this off. It's a long bolt. That is a long bolt, my friends. All right, so they made two sizes. One's a skinny one. Imagine that one's going to go over by your driver's side. And then they made this fatter one for your passenger side. How it works is, you see, there's just got one bolt in there. That's going to bolt dead up to that down there, right in position. And then it comes with double-sided tape that I'm going to look at for. It came with a hex bowl. I think this is 5/32, something like that. So let's pop her on. Let's throw her on with no tape, just to see how she sits up first. All right, that's actually really good. Good enough. Put some stuff in there. On the outside, you wanted to put something on this panel extra to hangy. I'm probably just going to keep stuff like radios in there. Yeah, I guess you adjust it how you want it, and then you put the tape on the backside, kind of hammers it into position. Might have some wires messing around back here. Let's see what I got to do. I'll look at that before I tighten it. Let's go pop off the other side real fast. All right, this side, I don't know if we're going to keep this brace here yet anyway, so let's move this out of the way for a little while. Let's see how this fits. All right, bang the side off. Scratch it all to hell. Get that out of there. Get that out of there. Been threading the screw up in there first, and loading, to be honest with you, loaded my wrench. Find the hole. All right. Slide it up on there real nice. Seems sturdy. Like I said, I have to put a little double-sided tape I have that I can fit behind there, but not bad. Theoretically, this pistol might go inside of there. I might just be able to clamp it to the side and get rid of my ram contraption here. We'll see how that works out. But let's see. Let's take a look at them. A little bit of room, like I said. You can reach in there. I mean, you put your whole hand in there. So definitely pistol will fit inside of there. And then the other side again. So I'm gonna have a link for this, my affiliate link in the description, along with anything else in this build. Click on some of those links, take a look at what you got in there. Appreciate y'all.